Sphinx is up next, and the app is Where Am I Now? Let's take it away. You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's hit it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you Where Am I Now? Featuring the Traveler. This is an action-adventure and travel-related game that combines 20 questions with hide-and-go-seek. Yes, somewhere in the world is the Traveler. He sends the players clues. And these clues, they must figure out the clues, the photos and text, in order to find out where the Traveler is. This has excellent tie-in to a lot of the Travel Channel shows, but before I go any further, the Traveler and players must, of course, register through the use of the keys user authentication. As the Traveler, I can now see all the games that I've created here. I have one game here created by the Travel Channel. Let's take a look at that. As you can see, 5 clues have been sent out, and now I can see all of the answers, all the players who are playing this particular game, and I can send out more text and photo clues if I like. Let me go back. Now, as a player, so I go back. As a player, I then receive a notification. I can go to this screen and I can see all the games that I am currently playing or have received invitations from. This one right here was the Travel Channel. At the end of the last Dangerous Ground show, Todd Carmichael said, I want you to guess where I am now. And so you have your own clue wall. You remember CSI? You remember Cold Clues?
30 seconds.
Is it. All right, so you can drag and drop, you can see all the photos, and because all of the information is stored in the key cloud, you'll never lose them, you'll be able to come back. You then submit your question. Remember, it must be in the form of a yes or no question, and if it's correct, then the Traveler will indicate whether it's right or wrong. Hey, here's a game in which I won. I won this particular game, and now I can learn more about this location and actually go to the Travel Channel website and get more information. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you Where Am I Now? We are Double Black Tech. This is the Sphinx. Thank you.
Nice job. Great work.